In this video, you will learn how to use the Symptoms feature. By setting up symptom monitoring through this tab and then adding them to a routine, you'll be able to monitor when participants are experiencing symptoms such as fatigue, stress, or muscle aches. If a symptom is set up here but not added to a routine, you will not be able to monitor the symptom. You may choose to add symptoms to a routine if you want to monitor what symptoms appear or change due to a treatment plan, or how a diagnosis may impact a participant's symptoms. You may also want to assess the impact of symptoms with other health data, such as medications or activities that's captured during the project. In our example of a multiple sclerosis study, the aim is to monitor participants' anxiety, fatigue, and insomnia levels to evaluate how the medication they're taking may impact these symptoms and their overall quality of life. To track a symptom, from the dashboard, navigate to the left side of the screen and click on the Study Setup dropdown. Then click Symptoms. To add a new symptom, click the Add New Symptom button in the top right. Type the name of the symptom you want to add. It's important to note that you can use a preset option that appears or make a custom entry. Select the measure that you want participants to use for tracking.
Option 1 is a yes or no. When you select this, participants can either select yes, they have experienced the symptom, or no, they haven't experienced the symptom.
Option 2 is a scale of 0 to 10. When you click on the 0 to 10 option, you will see a new list of fillable boxes to help customize the scale. To help give participants more details on what the numbers are associated with, add in custom descriptions such as none, low levels, moderate, or high. Select a graph color and style that will correspond to this symptom. Once you are done, select Save. Here is where you will see all the symptoms you have added. For our study example, we'll also be tracking fatigue and insomnia in addition to anxiety. From this page, you can select a symptom and then click the 3 dots in the top right corner to edit or delete it. Now you can add the symptom to a routine to be monitored for a study. Participants are able to document their symptoms within their routines. They can view these in the Symptoms tab from the More menu. Adding symptoms can also help participants in the event that they experience other symptoms outside of their study routine. It's important to note that if a participant adds any symptoms outside of the study routine, that data will not be accessible to anyone but the participant. Learn how to add symptoms to a routine by watching our routines video.